Para sa mga clients dyan na nagbabalak mag-invest dito sa Urban Deca Homes Ortigas, here is a detailed explanation of our unit computation. So mag-base na lang po tayo sa ating smallest unit na 2-bedroom, 30.6 square meter. So let's start with the TCP or the total contract price, which is the gross selling price of our unit. Everything is included in the TCP such as transfer fee, government taxes, and other miscellaneous fees. And good news, meron po tayong discount on all our units. The next one is the 10,000 initial cash out, which is the amount you need to pay to secure a unit. This is deductible to the total contract price. Take note po, 10,000 initial cash out lang and wala na po tayong down payment or lump sum payment na kailangan bayaran. Yan yung promo natin ngayon. So upon payment of the 10,000 cash out, that's the time na ipaprocess yung application kay Pag-ibig. And another good news, the developer will cover the processing fee for Pag-ibig. So the loan process typically takes 1 to 2 months to complete. After the loan takeout, pwede ka nang mag-move in sa unit mo. By the way, upon move-in, meron lang po tayo babayaran na move-in fee or reconnection fee na nasa 11,000 pesos and one-time payment lang po ito. So para sa mga nagtatanong, ito po ay para sa water and Meralco installation. So the remaining balance is the amount that you will borrow or loan from Pag-ibig. Deducted na po dito yung 10,000 initial cash out and yung promo discount. And take note, 30 days from the date of takeout or approval date, doon pa lang po mag-i-start ang ating monthly amortization kay Pag-ibig. So, meron din tayong options kung gaano mo katagal babayaran yung loan mo, ranging from 5 years to 30 years. So, if you want na maliit lang yung monthly amortization mo, you can go for 30 years term para magamit mo yung remaining or extra money mo for other ventures like business or investment. So, if you decide na tapusin siya ng maaga like in 5 years, 10 years, or 20 years, you can do so through advance payment to principal. By the way, dito sa computation ng monthly amortization, hindi pa kasama ang insurances. So, mag-add lang tayo ng roughly 1,000 plus para sa mortgage redemption insurance and fire insurance. So, ayun, ganun lang po kadali yung computation natin. All in, no hidden charges. So, if you have questions, or if you want to book a site visit, just contact me on my Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I also have Viber and WhatsApp, or you can call me directly at my number 0928-4930-564. Once again, I'm Marinette Morales, your Urban Deca Homes Property Specialist. See ya!